Hello everyone and welcome to the daily technical and the fundamental analysis. This is Ahmed speaking to you of Forex Trading Signal. As usual guys, we will start from where we have stopped yesterday and we believe that we still have the expanding triangular here and this expanding triangular is a reversal button. However, there are two resistance level at the upper area and two support levels on the lower area. So today, if the price breaks 1860.54, then the price will move toward 1872.52. If the price did break that as well, then the price will move to 1890.250. However, if the price breaks below 1850.52, then the price will move to 1833.44. That is from the technical analysis. We have expanding triangular and that is a reversal pattern now. However, if we go now to the fundamental analysis, today we have at 5:30 p.m. Abu Dhabi time CBI data and that is the US CBI data. The US CPI data is the consumer price index and this is very important because this is the inflation and we have made video about it. Please go and watch it and understand what is the impact for the CPI data. So if the data on the CPI was green and it was positive, then the gold will move down. If the data result was red and it was negative, then the gold will move up. Additionally, guys, before that, we have a few indicators, which is medium impact indicators, such as the average ERNI for the sterling pound and the climate count change. This will affect the market as well if a significant data has come out. From the low impact indicator, we have a few around the Eurozone, and that is also if there is any significant change on the numbering here for the low impact indicator, that is will move the market also significantly. So we get to watch these guys, and the most important one is the 531 October time, and that is the CPI data. So you get to watch these properly. So that's it from the technical and the fundamental analysis, guys, for today, 14 February 2023. This is Ahmed was speaking to you of Forex Trading Signal, and will speak to you on the next analysis video. Thank you very much.